we can record this.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go, you big goofball.
Frisco.
Yeah.
What'd you say, Frisco?
It was some kind of a parrot garbly-gook.
Yeah. What are you doing? Frisco.
Friskies. Fris.
Hey, Frisco. Yeah.
You big silly bird, huh? Let's see, what's he doing? Yeah, he's coming down. Watch out, because he's coming down. He's getting real serious about the laugh thing here. I think he's gonna. Oh, he's playing with this thing. Hang on, let me. Sorry about the. Let me see if I can get him to laugh with the blow drying the feathers. Come on. Come on, Goofy. Yeah, you can take a few minutes to preen. Come here, you. Good. That's a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come here, big silly. Is that your toy? Go get your birdie toy. Oh, there he is. Are you a good boy? Bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You guys still there? Hello? Oh no.